All ready? Let's practice, huh? One. I want to acknowledge Eugene, because Eugene actually did a fantastic technique. If you notice that when the crowd is not able to get attention, right, clapping is the best way to bring them back to attention. And then if you notice, once you do that, pause, silent. It builds tension. And one of the key things about comedy is also tension. Comedy is actually tragedy plus time. I'll share with you a lot of my challenges. So I'll give you a simple example of one of the experiences that I had. I just turned 40 waist-wise. And one of the challenges that I face is because I've got a mom that loves me so much, she loves to feed me a lot. And it's really tough because whenever you go to school, the only sports you can join is Boy Scouts. Because my right thigh will be rubbing against my left thigh, it'll start a fire.